As a bonus, we've added the form Black Tiger Intercepting Fist into this intermediate tape series. This is an intermediate form of the 7-star Praying Mantis system. In this form, we see different techniques that we've already gone over, however utilized in a varying fashion. Black Tiger Intercepting Fist in slow motion. In this form, we see different elements of the 12 keyword formula that we've discussed earlier in the first tape series. We see elements of bombo in here as well. Again, this form is called Black Tiger Intercepting. We see different variations of the mantis hook. We see the counter-intercepting mantis hook. We see the double mantis dilsal, the mantis catches cicada as well.